Welcome to How to Make a Bacon Crepe. This recipe is very simple because it only requires 4 ingredients. 2 eggs, cup of flour, cup of milk, and as many pieces of bacon as you want. Hi, I'm a junior Girl Scout, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a bacon crepe. I know that sounds weird, but it's one of my favorite breakfast foods, and I tell you it is delicious. Okay, step 1, wash your hands. Rona's here. Okay, washing hands, check. Time to make sure that you have all of your supplies in step 2. You need one of these gigantic pot thingies. You don't need to make it that big. 2 eggs, carton of milk, and this thingy of flour. Don't need to make it this big. Measuring cup, exactly 1 cup. You don't need more than 1. And a thingy of butter. You will not need this till later, so I'm going to put this off to the side. Okay, step 3, mixing all the ingredients together. Crack your eggs into a bowl so that you don't get shell in the mixture, which there isn't. So I'm going to crack it. Oh darn, forgot the trash can. Okay, second egg. Next step is pour the eggs in. This next part is very important because although it doesn't matter which order you put the milk and the flour in, I highly recommend using the flour first because if you put the milk in first, there's still going to be dregs of milk left in the cup, and then when you put the flour in, the flour gets stuck to the insides of the corners of the cup. You want to kind of keep it in here like this, and then you pile it over the top. Oops. And then when it falls in, I use the corner sometimes. This is kind of, and then it does this, and it's perfectly flat. Okay, that was flour first. And I like to do the milk over the sink. Stir and get rid of all the lumpy stuff because, let's face it, nobody likes lumpy pancakes or crepes, whatever thingies. Make sure you scrape it, get all the flour. Okay, so this might not be incredibly important to you, but I, for one, am an extremely messy spiller. So I usually just take like a couple paper towels, lay them out, make sure you have the butter in the pan ready and the batter, and that's basically all you need. Maybe give it another stir. I don't know why I put this in the sink. And that's it. Now you set that aside and it is time to make the bacon. Now you can make your bacon however you want, on the stove in a pan, or on the oven, or in the microwave like I will, because I have a special bacon making pan thingy, so I'm going to use this. Okay, now it is time for the making of the crepe. You need to turn the pan on to about 1 up for medium. I'm using a gas stove, so if you have an electric stove, there's equivalence to what I'm doing now. So put about this much butter in the pan. It's okay if it's only in one spot because you're going to do this and spread it over the entire bottom of the surface of the pan. I'm going to fire it down a little bit. Crepes in general are very thin, and it's okay if you don't make it extremely thin on your first try. So you're going to cook it for a couple of minutes till it looks less wet. And if you do this with the crepe, just turn it a little bit. If it slides around, that means the bottom is cooked and it is ready to flip. Once flipped, the part that is still running will cook itself on the pan, like so. Turn the fire off because it can cook itself by now. Okay, now it's cooled off a bit, so roll it up however you want. You can make it really thick, you can make it really small, but whatever you do, it's really good. I hope you enjoyed my video and your bacon crepe.